It's Saturday morning, our work day, and I know I'm driven about getting work done. This morning we were supposed to go out and finish putting some extra posts in, some post reinforcements, and then hang the lights. And Mother Nature had some other ideas. Apparently there are tornado warnings all around, and my cousin and my mom are sitting in basements alerting me. I went down in my basement for a little while, but I haven't gotten a tornado warning on my phone, so I think I'm a little safer up here. But this is our outside working day. We actually started working outside in the rain, but it got a little too heavy. Hey everybody, so here they are. Our lights are all up all the way to the barn, along the path, and all the way around, past the she shed and up the path. And you can see our marble path, which really works well at night. It lights up very, very nicely.
Look at that.
They work!
Woohoo! Fist
Okay.
bump.
They look great!
Yes, they do.
Wow! I love them!
Look at them.
I'll show you the
Exactly what
side.
we imagined.
Exactly what we had hoped.
Yeah.
Going around. Ooh, mosquitoes are out. Here they are,
Just
going
took
all the way
longer
around.
than what we thought.
Way longer.
We'll get the trimmers, my hand trimmers.
All right, and there they go, all the way to the barn. Tom, what did we learn about this experience?
We learned that we need to plan things ahead. I'm speaking to you.
But when you speak to me, it mumbles.
Oh, okay.
So, Tom, what did we learn from this experience?
We learned that we need to plan things ahead and do them carefully and thoroughly. We need to be patient. I saw that. What'd you learn?
I learned that you can't rush drying cement.
Yep.
And I learned that you should fill it in with dirt and everything before you put the lights on.
Yep.
And I learned that even though the directions say every 20 feet, it's really a good idea to do every 10 feet. And I learned that we have kind of sandy soil.
And I learned not to do it quickly.
You didn't do it quickly.
I did. When I first put these in, I did them quickly.
Yes, you did them quickly. Yes. Yes, Tom took a shortcut the first time through. He dumped the cement in, and then he dumped water in and said good is good enough.
And I only dug about that deep.
Yeah.
And I only dug a very small hole.
Right.
Because I thought the lights were going to droop.
Right.
then there was tension on them, and that pulled the post in.
Yep, so that's what we learned. Hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked it, please press like and subscribe to us on YouTube. It really means a lot to us. Thank you. God bless.